Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today in this video we are going to see class 6. Topic is estimation. We are going to do the exercise 1.4. We have seen the introduction and we have seen the rules how to estimate the numbers. Now we'll use it to do this exercise. So fill in the blanks with the first question. The first is the nearest 100 of 843. So what is the rule? Nearest 100. First you see the place for which it has to be estimated. So it is hundreds place. So first thing we underline the hundreds place. So what is the first step we have to do? Underline the given place. So which is we have to underline. What is the given place? 100. So you underline ones, tens, hundreds. Underline the given place. Then see the number to the right of the underlined number. Right side to the next number. And check whether the next number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the same number. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to write the same underlined digits. So you check the next number is, it is less than 5. So it is 1, 2 or 3 or 4 which is less than 5. So we should write the same hundreds place, and after the underlined digits they become 0, 0. Got it? Shall we go move on to the next one? Come on, see. Now it is nearest 1000 of 756. So which is the thousands place here? There is no thousands place. So what shall we do for thousands place? So we have to estimate to thousands, but there is no thousands place. What is the rule? We have to underline the given place. To underline there is no thousands place. So what we'll do? We'll put 0 for thousands place. So 0, if you add in front of the number, the value does not change. It is 756 only. So we'll put 0. Then underline the thousands place. We have underlined the thousands place. After underlining, we have to see the next number, the number which comes after the underlined digits, and check whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. What is it? 7? Yes, it is more than 5. So what do? We write the next number of the underlined digits or add 1 with the underlined digits. 0 plus 1 is 1, and the rest of the digits become 0, 0, 0. So 756 is nearest to 1000. Okay, next. Nearest 10,000's place. So first underline 10,000's place. Tell the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. Underline the 10,000 place. Okay, we have underlined. What is the next step? See the right side number of the underlined digits. It is 5. If the next number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 5 and more. 5 and greater than 5. What do? We write the next number of the underlined digits. So or add 1 with the underlined digits. 8 plus 1 is 9. That's all. And after whatever digits come after the underlined digits, they all become 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros. Now put the commas: ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000. Okay. Now next is true or false. That is also estimation only. Read this number. What is it? Put comma, then it will be easy to read. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So 8,567 is rounded off as 8,600 to the nearest tens. So first let us not see this answer. We will round the given number to nearest 10 and check whether we are getting this answer. If you get the same, it is true. If you don't get this 8,600, then it is false. So nearest tens place. So which place will you underline? Yes, you would underline the tens place. Ones, tens place. Underline tens place. After that, observe the next number on the right side number is 7. It is more than 5. And what about the number which come before the 6? Write them as it is. So it becomes 8, 5 as it is. Previous numbers write as it is. And the next number is more than 5. So we have to write the next number of 6 or add 1 with 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And after the underlined digits, it becomes 0. So when you round off 8,567 to nearest 10, we get 8,570. Not 8,600. This is wrong answer. So this first one is false. Okay, this is the correct answer. Next, 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest hundreds. So we have to round off 139 to the nearest hundreds. So which place will you underline? Underline the hundreds place. Underline hundreds place. 1 is in the hundreds place. And next, check the next number. it is less than 5. So what to do? Write the same one. Write the same one. Because it is less than 5, we have to write the same hundreds and other numbers become 0, 0. So 139, when you round off for hundreds, it becomes 100. Yes, it is a 100 only given the statements. So this second one is true. Okay, next is how to read this number. Count the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crore. 1 crore, 70 lakhs, 51,972 is rounded off as 1 crore 70 lakhs to the nearest lakhs. So first underline the lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is lakhs place. 0 is in lakhs place. Okay, after underlining, next, yes, tell me. See the next number, the right side number, which is 5. So if it is 5 and more than 5, what do? Add 1 with the underlined number. And what to do with the previous numbers 1 and 7? Write them as it is. And since the next number is 5, the 0 becomes 1. We have to add 1 with 0. Then after the underlined digits, they all become zeros. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all become zeros. So now what is it? Put comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore. 1 crore 71 lakhs. But here given 1 crore 70 lakhs. We have to get 71 lakh because this after the underlined digit is 5. It is 5 and more than 5. We have to write the next number. So it becomes 71, not 70. So this is false. Okay. The next one is round off the following to the given nearest place. So whatever place is given, for that we have to round it. So first is hundreds. So underline hundreds place. Now tell me now, you are going to tell me now how to do this now. What is next? What's next? Observe the next place, which is more than 5. So what do? Add 1 with underlined digits and the previous number as it is. Add 1 with 0 or the next to 0. What comes after 0? 1. And after whatever digits come after 0, 0, 0. 4,100. And the second one is thousands. What is the place? Thousands. So first underline thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. And the previous number 4 as it is. And this 4, to write whether 4 or 5, check the next number. This is 5. If it is 5 and more than 5, we have to write the next number or add 1 with this number. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the rest of the digits become 0, 0, 0. 45,000. Right? You understand? Okay, now look at this. Try this now. 10 crore, which is in 10 crores place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Sorry. Third one is here. We'll come to third one first. 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000. 10,000. Which number is in 10,000? 8. So look at the next number. It is 6, more than 5. So write the next number of 8 or the add 1 with 8. So it becomes 9 and rest of the number becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So if you put comma, it is 90,000. Okay, and the next is lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Which is in lakhs place? 0. So what to do with the previous number? Write 5 as it is. And what to write for 0? Will it become 1 or 0? Check the next number. 8 is more than 5. So we add 1 with it. 0 plus 1 or the number which comes after 0 is 1. Then the rest of the numbers become 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So 50 lakhs, 81,000 is nearest to 51 lakhs. Next is 10 crore. Underline. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 10 crore is here. And before 3 we don't have any number. So we have to see only the number which comes just after the underlined digit. 3. It is less than 5. So what to do? Write the same 3. If it is more than 5, we write the next number. If the number after underlining, just check the next digit which comes after the underlined digit. It is less than 3. So write same 3 and all these rest of the numbers become zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now put commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crores, 10 crores. So 33 crores is close to or nearest to 30 crores. Okay. Now question number 4 is estimate the sum. What do you mean by sum? Sum means addition. We have, what is the meaning of sum? We add. We have to add. What we have to add? Of, put commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. 1,57,826 and what is it? 32,469 rounded off to the nearest 10,000. We have to see to which place we have to round off, to which place we have to estimate. That is more important. To 10,000. So we have to estimate each of the numbers to 10,000's place and then we have to find the sum. What is the meaning of sum? Addition. We have to add them. It is just the addition. But before you are adding, we have to estimate them. Estimate to which place? 10,000's place. So we'll write the number. It is, what is given? 1, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh. 1,57,826 to nearest 10,000. So what is the first step? Underline the given place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 is 5. And the previous digit as it is. The previous number become as it is, you write. 1 as it is. And what happens here? 5 or 6, observe the next number. 7, which is more than 5. So write the next number or add 1 with 5. It becomes 6 and the rest of the number 0. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it becomes 1,60,000. And the second one, again 10,000's place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Underline the 10,000 place. And before that we don't have any number. So we have to, whether we have tried 3 or 4. Check the next number, which is 2 less than 5. So what to do? Write the same 3 and all this becomes 0. So it becomes 30,000. 30,000. Write 3 as it is because 2 is less than 5 and all these 4 digits become zeros. Now what we have to do? We have to find the sum. What do you mean by sum? S-U-M. Sum means addition. We have to add them. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, you get 1,90,000. And what is the next sum? We'll see. Question number 5. Estimate by rounding of each number to the nearest 100. So we have to estimate to the hundreds place and we have to find the value. What is given? It is plus. What does it mean? Addition. Second one is also addition. Before we add, what we should do? We should estimate to nearest hundreds place. The previous one was nearest 10,000 and we added. Now it is estimate to nearest 100 and add. So it is estimate to nearest 100 and then add them. Watch play hundreds place. So underline hundreds place. Underlined. Okay. Previous digit as it is. Now you should be thorough with this method, the rules and the method. Next number more than 5. So what comes after 0 or add 1 with 0, 1 and the rest of the numbers 0, 0. Right? Okay. Next hundreds. Underline hundreds place. Previous digit as it is. Then what comes after 1? It is 7 is more than 5. So we should add 1 with this 1 or the number which comes after 1. The next number 2 and the rest of the digit 0. And what we have to do? Add them. It is question is given plus. So add them. 0, 0, 3, 12. And what is the estimated answer? 12,300. Okay. And next sum same thing. But the place is also same hundreds only. So estimate to hundreds. Underline hundreds digit. Ones, tens, underline hundreds digit. What happens to the other digits? The previous numbers. The digits before this underline as it is. 1, 7, 6, 8. 1, 7, 6, 8 as it is. And what is this 9 becomes? And here you have to think a little here. The next number is 7, which is more than 5. So we should write the next number. For the next number here 9, if you put 10, we cannot put 10. When it becomes 10, you have to see the 2 digits together. We should take 18 and we cannot put 10 here. then the number becomes too big. It won't be the nearest value of the given number. So when it is 9 and when you're writing the next number, we need to take the next digit also. Take 89. 89, the next number of 89. So 89, after what comes after 89? It is 90. Whenever it is 9 and you're writing the next number, you have to take the previous digit also. For after 9 we cannot put 10. The number, then the value we get will not be the nearest value, will not be the rounded value. Okay, so 90 and rest of the digits become 0, 0. Got it? So underline hundreds place and the next number is more than 5. So we have to write the next number, but after 9, 10 we cannot write. That means for 89, if you write 10, it will become 810. Will you say 89 is rounded off to 810? Is it the nearest value? No. But you take the previous digit also. Then we get the next number is 90. Now it makes some meaning. 89 is nearest to 90. So whenever 9 comes and when you are writing the next number, you should take the previous digit of 9 also and take two numbers together. 89. What comes after 89? 90. And rest of the digit is 0. Now you write ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So it is 17 lakhs, 68,977 is nearest to 17 lakhs, 69,000. 68,000 is nearest to 69,000. It makes some sense. Okay, 68,000 is nearest to 69,000. And the next is hundreds place again. Hundreds, underline the previous digit as it is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, only lakh, not up to 10 lakh. So start from here, the previous digits as it is, and then after 5, after next number is 8, more than 5, so it becomes 6 and 0, 0. So it is addition. Add them quickly. 6, 9, 6 plus 3, 9, and 7 plus 1, 8, and 8. This is the estimated answer. Okay, let us put comma, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. 10 lakhs is the estimated answer of the given sum. So we'll see the rest of the sums in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.